Hello everyone, in this tutorial, we're going to teach you how to drink water from a cup. If you want to learn how to drink from a straw or from a water bottle, make sure to check out some other videos. This topic was made during the live stream. If you want to be part of the next live stream, make sure to check the announcements for it. Anyway, the first thing you can do, just like the water bottle, is put it next to your mouth like this. Drinking it is very similar to a water bottle, except you don't have to unscrew the top first. After you put it into your mouth, you can pick it up exactly the same as you would do during my water bottle live stream. You can go watch that one if you want. The thing about cups, though, is that you do not want to flip them over, because then they will fall over. They're gonna spill water everywhere. Now, with a water bottle, you can close the lid and it won't spill water everywhere. So that's one of the good things about water bottles. However, water bottles are often a lot harder to wash, so people use cups. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to see things next time.